Because of meme coins, I made all this money in the past 1.5 months. So if you want to make this wallet yours, you need to lock in and watch until the end. Now, most of y'all might think that I made all my money by trading meme coins on MemeScope, but the truth and the secret strategy that I was actually gatekeeping from y'all is that I actually made all my money from launching and creating my own meme coins. Because all my money was actually made from pumping and then dumping these coins and making a shit ton of money. And the reason why it's so easy to make money by launching your own coins is because you have nothing to lose. All you have to do is create the coin, wait for buyers to kick in, and then dump the coin. And believe it or not, a bunch of influencers on the internet are actually abusing this method, and they're making thousands of dollars every single day, if not millions. And yes, this strategy is fully repeatable, so there is no limits to how much you can make. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please do not copy me. Cap! But anyways, first things first, you want to head over to launchtoken.Fun. And here you will be able to create your own coins with no coding required. And the thing that makes this website so special is that the coins are launched directly on the Radium DEX. So it's 100 times better than Pump.Fun because you are basically skipping the bonding curve, and your coin will be listed directly on the Radium DEX, which will get way more buyers than usual. And if I go on my Photon trending and then I only select the Radium DEX, just look at the insane market caps: 5 million, 4 million, 200,000, 900,000, 150,000, 35,000. Okay, the point I'm trying to make is that you have to be launching coins on launchtoken.Fun if you want to make the most amount of money possible. Now, if you want, you can definitely make your own coin manually, so you can actually create your own coin by pulling the token name, token symbol, and token image. It's really simple to create your own coin here. But me personally, and I'm sure you too, you are really lazy. So I like to just steal what's already working and just completely copy it. So as you can see, I headed over to the third tab to the copy coins feature right here, and every single coin that pops up here is trending and pumping on the Pump.Fun DEX, which means that the narrative is already proven to get you some buyers. Okay, so I'm gonna copy a coin that has a lot of replies and a decent amount of market cap. So this coin right here just caught my attention. Mother's Day, it has 340 replies and a $27,000 market cap, and then last buy 9 seconds ago. So I'm gonna create coin, go inside your Phantom wallet, then a warning will pop up. This is completely normal, just proceed anyway and continue. Boom, boom, and then your coin should be created shortly. No stress. Boom. Now copy here, click on create liquidity pool, because now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Now here, your coin is pre-selected, your Solana binds to amount token A, click on max simply to put the billion coins in the pool, right? Amount token B, I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 Solana because that's what I usually do. This right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now, you will be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to worry about. This money is a no loss initial. It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity. Obviously, make sure you have enough in your Solana binds, and then click on create pool. My bad, I'm speaking fast. I'm trying to go through this quick. Confirm. And then click on refresh and it should pop up. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, you're already $40 in profit, bro, in 1 second. Now click on view on Photon, and another coin is live. Let me just go in a lower time frame, 1 second. Okay, it pumped, now it dipped a bit. Let me go see who bought in. Okay, we just got a $8 buy. Okay, a couple sales, a $51 buy, which is absolutely great. Okay, people are selling a bit. Okay, we just got a $34 buy. Okay, now it's pumping a lot. Oh my god, it's actually insane. If you want to check your profits, you can come to launchtoken.Fun, click on refresh, and here you can see your profits. I think it's glitched. Yeah, it's a bit more than that. It's like $100. But yeah, it's pumping a lot. Okay, we're getting buys. Let's go. Now, some of these are bot buys and bot sells, but don't worry, it's actually good for a coin because it creates volume and traction, and it's gonna attract organic buyers, right? Which we're getting a bunch of buys in. Let's go. Okay, it's pumping. Let's go. It's pumping. Come on, $12 buy. Let's go. Oh my god, it's pumping so much. Live on camera. Okay, $17. Okay, we're just getting a bunch of buys and sells. Let's go. It's pumping. Let's go. Yo, should I do it? Yo, I could make an easy like $400. Oh my god, it's actually insane. It's still pumping. Let's go. Now, if y'all didn't know, bro, Solana in general is pumping, so people have been saying that meme coins are back, and as you can see, right now is the perfect moment to launch coins. You can make so much money. Okay, let's go. It's pumping. Let's go. Now, I think one more buy, and I think I am going to do it, bro. Unfortunately, I don't want to drag the video too much. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's pumping! It's pumping so much! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to launchtoken.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Come on! Your phantom shot pop up here. Yes sir, confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you print money out of fucking thin air, bro. And if I open my Phantom Wallet to see how much I made, come on. $620 is inside my wallet. At the beginning, I had like $100, so I made $500 off this one launch, bro. Obviously, I could have waited longer for our buyers. And bro, you can do this over and over again and print money out of thin air. Launchtoken.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. Start now before it's too late, and yeah, bye.